Okay, what's up, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. And I'm going to give you guys a rundown quickly on one of the strategies I use to day trade and how, we are able to do this every day in the Options Trading Tycoons Discord and, get very nice profits on our trades. Okay. So what I have here is I have three lines on my chart that are very crucial um, to the 5 minute chart. Okay, so we're looking at the 5 day, 5 minute chart specifically, and this strategy won't really work on a different chart. Okay, if you're using like the 4 hour chart, the 180-day 4 hour chart, or the 1 year 1 day chart, this strategy isn't too effective for that, right? This is for intraday trades, scalps, things like that. And it's best used on the 5 minute chart and like the 1 minute chart, really. All right, but essentially what I have here is my entry on this play. All right, it was right around 10:30. um and since then DIA has had a very nice rally. Okay, we rallied up about 1%. But I'm going to show you guys how I actually made way more than 1%. Right, is what we do is we trade options in the Options Trading Tycoons Discord. And if so essentially what you can do is you can come in here and you can copy and paste. As you can see, I still have a position open right here on these calls. But you can copy and paste the actual call option or the option contract and see the price of the option contract. And if we look here at 10:30, okay, from 10:30 up till now, that was a 52% run up in the option price, right? And that took 1 hour and 23 minutes. So, less than 90 minutes, and you're able to get 50% on your money using this strategy, right? The value of the option went from 237 up to 355, right? And then, you're able to get out. That was a nice move. So we'll go ahead and take a look back at the chart, and I'll show you guys what we did and what this strategy is all about. Okay, if you need to figure out how to set up your screen this way, and you're looking how to set up these EMAs and the VWAP on your chart, I have a video in the top right hand corner, briefly explaining to you how to set your screen up this way with these indicators. Okay, but essentially, the purple line is your VWAP. We have our 9 day EMA in yellow and the 21 EMA in orange here. Okay. And when you're looking on the 5 minute chart, this is going to show you, right, what the trend is essentially, right? And if you're able to keep the uptrend going, right? The what you look for is the yellow line is going to cross the VWAP, the purple line first, right? And once we're trading above there and the candlesticks are opening and closing above our yellow VWAP, right? You see they're opening above it and closing above it. Our yellow EMA, I'm sorry. Then we can say, hey, okay, well, now we're in an uptrend. We're in an uptrend and we're going up, and it pulls back, but we keep using this yellow EMA as a support level, right? So that's what we want to see. We want to see us continue to hold the 9 day EMA as support and continue this bullishness and trade above the 9 day EMA. Now, when we break the 9 day EMA, it comes down to the orange EMA, which is the 21 day EMA. And this is another area where we're looking to find support and bounce at, right? So if we can maintain support across our 9 EMA and our 21 EMA, then we know we're still in a bullish uptrend, and these are trading above the VWAP, right? The volume weighted price, average price. So that's kind of the whole theme behind the strategy and what you can do. I got in here a little early, but we knew that there was going to be a bullish pop in the market today due to VIX. Okay, if we look at the VIX chart, I'll pull that up real quick and show you guys what I got on here for VIX. Let's see here. All right, yeah. So VIX had a huge, ginormous gap down to fill. Okay, just as it previously did on this day. The market rallied very, very hard on Thursday because there was just a giant gap down on VIX, and gaps tend to fill about 90 to 95% of the time in the stock market historically. It's just a matter of when, right? Well, today we can look again, and we gapped up super hard. We got a big gap down to fill on the 1 hour chart. And since we opened today, we've been doing nothing but dropping down into that, right? We dropped, we're filling the gap. We came back up a little bit, and then volatility, the VIX just keeps dropping, right? So this is when the VIX is going down. we can know that, the market in general should be going up. Things like the SPY, the Dow Jones, et cetera, right? Those things tend to go up when the VIX goes down. And we knew that VIX had a big gap this morning. So a big gap down to fill. So I just, was patient, waited, got in here around 10:30, and, you just sell for profit, whatever your profit goal is, right? 20%, 50%. You got to keep in mind it's a day trade, right? So, what are you actually happy with taking profits on? So that's what I would say. And, that's basically one of the strategies we use to trade options. If you look here, this is the Options Trading Tycoons Discord, okay? And you'll gain access to the call outs here. All right. As you can see today, one of the admin members, Aeon King, took profit on his square call out, or his block call out. Sorry, ticker symbol SQ. Took profit on that today at 170%. So if you guys like this, these style of videos, if you guys want to trade with us, if you think that, these videos are valuable, you're really going to want to join the Discord. The link to join is in the description below. If you use code Zachly, you'll get a discount on your membership. Okay. Like the channel name ZachlyTrades. Okay. Now, there's so much in here. Okay. Not only do you get the admin members' entries and exits, all right, you get our tycoon analysis. This is where I'll be posting some of my videos in here, as well as analysis. We got the other admin members analysis in here. There's member analysis, there's the call outs, stock call outs, small cap call outs. These are small cap call outs or like plays basically that cost like, under $200 a piece, right? And, as you can see, there's lots of profit going on in here. 160% profits today sold on those. And, as you can see here, Aeon King is in the 250 calls for DIA today. And, DIA, he got in those early this morning, around 10 a.m. So he got into there right around here. As you can see, DIA is definitely up today, or up since that entry right now. Whether this continues, I mean, we're pulling back right here. We're breaking the EMAs. So this is when you would say, okay, well, perhaps I'll exit my position here now. We had that nice run up. We're no longer holding the EMAs as support. We could drop down all the way back down to the VWAP, right? So that's kind of the strategy. It's a really effective strategy, especially for the 5-minute chart, and I definitely recommend it. Learning it and, just trying to practice. Okay. Start off paper trading using, you don't have to, trade options with your real money while you're learning. Definitely recommend paper trading options in the beginning. And, you'll get a real good idea of, how you can make some money. Okay. I mean, I showed you guys we made off a 1% move in the stock price. We made a 50% gain in the option price. Okay. You can see there. All right. 52% in 1 hour, 23 minutes.